Hi, I'm Jas Ahmed. Welcome to new video.
Basically, in the drilling line, we use mud as a well control. That is, the primary well control is mud. So it can be fluid imbalance. If the mud weight is less, the well can start flowing. If the hydrostatic pressure is less, the formation pressure, you can find the well can start flowing. And in a fluid, in a list like this, it can be either a fluid imbalance or the well is flowing, and we need to shut the well and rectify. Shut the well and check on trip tank whether the well is flowing or it's just imbalance of fluid. No, it can be mud weight is less, or if they're not checking the mud weight, you're regularly every 30 minutes you check the mud weight in and out. If the mud weight is not checked properly, you can have less. If the mud weight is less, the hydrostatic pressure will drop below formation pressure, and then you can get well flowing in. So we use the hydrostatic pressure to keep the formation pressure. Oh, you can lose your rig, you can lose your men. Very dangerous. If it's not right action at the right time, you can save. A lot of people, you can save your asset, but or else you can lose everything. So you got to be focused on what you are doing. If you have any doubt, a driller has the right to stop and flow check. Any doubt, stop, flow check. If you are positive well flowing, you shut the well.